Logo watermark for your videos. Using KINEMASTER mobile app. Open KINEMASTER app. Then, select a media or video you want to edit. Have your logo ready. And then open it. Click on Layer. Add media. You may also adjust opacity to whatever transparency value you'd like. Resize. Position it anywhere on your video. Bottom left corner. Top left corner. Top right corner. Bottom right corner. Depending on your preference. And then adjust the duration of the logo. And then you are done. You can do this in less than a minute. Subscribe to the Olden Post channel and press the bell icon to watch our latest videos.